Hi there, Amanda here at DATABASICS. Today we're going to talk about how to create and modify an expense report on your mobile device. Let's start by clicking the Create New Report button here on the dashboard. I have the opportunity to name this report, so I will name it March 2019 Expenses. If I click this down arrow, I get access to the most recently or frequently traveled cities. Since I did my work here in Reston, Virginia, I'll click that. I can also add report notes. Your report may have additional information required by your company to add. Let's click Next. Here it's asking me what kind of expense I'd like to add. I have one credit card expense, so I'll click that. I'll click Apply. This is a marketing expense. I'll note that it's marketing tool. I can attach my receipt quickly. Hit Next. And here I have the beginnings of my expense report. I'm going to save and exit for now. And now I'm back at my expense reports home. Let's say I needed to log out and come back later to modify this expense report or add additional expenses. I would come back in, then scroll down, click on the actual expense report, and here I have several options. I can add additional expenses using the plus button. I can filter, looking for particular expenses if I had several on here. I can also get more details, such as details by day or by line. I can view this. I can also submit from here. There are many options to move forward and modify this expense report. But for now, I am finished, so I'm going to save and exit. And that's how you create and then go back and modify your expense reports on your mobile device. Thanks for watching.